Are taking a walk in the forest with my new gadget, my Insta360 X5. I'm gonna try some tricks with it, but there's lots of different things you can do and it's a bit confusing, so I'm hoping I'll get the hang of it. But yeah. My mic fell off. Oh! Horses! Oh, that's so pretty.
Coming down this way, obviously there may be a stallion somewhere. They're all heading this way. So we've got to stay sort of close to the edge,
Yeah.
just in case.
Lots and lots of horses around today.
Yeah. Oh.
This one over here, the little one, was on off lead, but Harika wasn't very good, was it, Baba? So she's back on lead now. Yeah.
Might be a bit cooler. Not sure whether there's a track this way.
There's a what?
I'm not sure whether there's a track.
Mama's leading me into the unknown.
Oh no. Oh no.
What?
There's work down there.
Oh, Phoebe, no.
Really?
So I've driven the dogs in my car today, my little Fiat, and if Phoebe goes in the water, my white Fiat is going to be brown. No.
Oh no,
She didn't go in. She didn't go in. I'm so bad with directions. I thought we'd done a full loop. Apparently we've ended up somewhere else. Don't know how that happened. Ooh. play with. I was trying to figure out all the settings because you get an app with this and there's even options to like beautify you, so like it'll smooth your skin for the entire video with a click of a button. Yeah, it'll do anything. Let's just figure it out. Okay, so that's been my little test of my new camera. I'm very happy about it so far. So after filming that, I went into the Insta360 app, played around with a few things. So there's like, you can change the colouring, there's different filters, there's different motion effects that you can have, like the whole world one and like the bullet time. Yeah, there's literally all sorts you can do with this thing, and I think I'm probably only using the most simple part of it at the moment, but I'm very happy with it, and yeah, I'm excited to continue using it. So I'm going to Legoland this week with a couple of my friends that I used to work with at Polton's, and I'm taking this camera with me. So this will be my like first proper theme park practice with it. I am hoping they let me in with the stick that I've got with it. So at the moment I only have the bullet time stick, and that extends really long, and obviously most theme parks do not allow like selfie sticks, and I haven't invested in like the little, what we call it, like a tripod thing, the little tripod. There is one that 360 does that it's like a short one, it goes into a tripod so you can put it down, and it's also like a charger as well for it. So that's the one I will be getting before I go to Orlando. But for now, I'm hoping if I tell them I'm not going to extend it, they will let me in with it at Legoland. That's using my Merlin pass, so I do get that for free. I've booked it for. And yeah, I'm going with Bella and Andy, so it'll be really fun. I've had such a busy week at work, that's why this video is just like a day or two delayed. But yeah, it's been a busy week, it's been half term. Now we're going into a bit of a quiet month. I'm hoping Disney sends a few bits to do this month, because if they send visa stuff to do in summer holidays, that's gonna be stress. But yeah, I'm excited for the rest of the process. I'm excited I've now got my camera for filming, and yeah, good things to come. I'm so excited. I'm even really excited for like Legoland this week, because it's gonna get me in the hype for the theme park spirit. But yeah, that's it for now, guys, but stay magical.